Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now it's been quite a while since I uploaded a proper video, but today I've obviously got my new car to show you guys and it's a beauty. Now I have posted this in a few places, so some people already know, but I need to share it with the rest of you. So I've obviously gone from my Mark 8 Fiesta ST, which the whole reason why that has gone was sort of explained in the last video that I uploaded. My new car is just over here. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I can't wait to get back into car shows, get back into modifying cars, because I have not been motivated for the past year or so with COVID and then the change of my job. So I'm really excited to actually show you guys the car, actually get it back out to some meets, get it back out to some shows and start doing some more modifications. I've got some stuff planned. I'm not going to go over modifications in this video of what I plan on doing because I don't know timescales and I just want to, you know, do things in my own time and not promise you some stuff that, you know, I'm potentially not even going to deliver. So I'm not going to talk about modifications. There is stuff coming, by all means, like, don't worry, there's going to be videos. And with this one, I've already said that I've got a fast forward, which sort of keeps with the channel. Obviously I've gone from a Mark 7.5 1 litre Zetec S to a Mark 8 ST. And now guys, we have this. So this behind me is my new Ford Focus RS in the magnetic. I really like the look of the magnetic. Obviously the Mark 8 Fiesta ST was magnetic and I'm sticking with the yellow theme because I really like that color combination. So already I've got some yellow stickers, yellow Ford badges already on there. Things that are currently blue probably be changed to yellow very soon, and that's sort of the color scheme that I'm going with because I personally like it. Completely standard when I got it, so there is nothing done to it. That means I have complete control over what springs I want to put on there, spacers, induction, map, exhaust, all of that. I have complete control. So to go through some of the features actually on this car, obviously it has the 19-inch forged alloy wheels. It's also come with the Sync 3, which means that it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I really missed having that once the Fiesta went. I actually really missed having Apple CarPlay because it's just so easy to use. So it's got all of that. It's got the heated steering wheel option on there, so it's got obviously the heated seats, heated windscreen, auto wipers, auto lights. I'm not sure about what the packs are for the Focus RS, but obviously I just know and understand the features now. Obviously it's got all the different driving modes, so where we have sport, racetrack and drift. Otherwise it does also have a reversing camera on there, and I've never had a reversing camera at all. It is really cool. The seats in there, they aren't the shell bucket seats, they are just the normal Recaros. I actually really like them anyway. They're more than comfortable for what I want to use it for, because it will be sort of almost a daily driver, even though my trips aren't very far. So actually, you know, I won't be putting a huge amount of miles on it, and the seats are nice and comfy for what I want to use it for, which is the main thing. So yeah, I don't know if there's too much more to say about the car itself, but I just want to show you guys obviously what I'm driving around in now, what I'll be taking to car shows, and what you can expect to see modified on the channel. Obviously there is stuff coming, so please do hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video. Let me know what you think of the new Ford Focus RS.